Tornado emergency for Taylorville. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for Central Christian County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Taylorville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Taylorville. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Taylorville around 5:25 p.m. Stonington around 5:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Willys, Taylorville Airport and Sharpsburg.